Alright, so we are into 2025 and this is the time when BTC is into the correction zone. Then we have to be place ourselves into such positions because the whole altcoin mania might start very soon, because this is the time, especially in the quarter one, we see the whole price are pumping, especially into the Ethereum ecosystem. The Ethereum pumps into the quarter one, and then the whole mania starts. So you have to be in the position. You should be into the right market conditions, right tokens, so that you can get the good returns to your portfolio. So this is a kind of an analysis video, what I personally think about the market. So this is the website, which is a dune.com, and here you can see a lot of narrative based on the time frames. So I have analyzed the whole data and I come up with the decisions that what matters to this 2025 is only 5 things in my opinion, which have the wonderful future hopefully in 2025. So number one thing that we already know, that AI is booming, and we will see 2025 will be the most bullish and outperforming year for AI. So AI in number one, and second is RWA, third is L1 chains, fourth is DeFi, and fifth is meme coin. So if you are planning to restructure your portfolio, so this video is for you, because I will be basically I will be analyzing and trying to put in my crypto tokens into some more promising and conviction based narratives. So this is the sheet where I have designed very specific tokens. So I have decided to put in my portfolio into AI sector, some of into RWA, some into L1s, and some into DeFi and the meme coins. I don't have a lot of tokens. The maximum of the tokens, if you combine all these 5 sectors, that will become maximum of 10 to 15 tokens, because you have to concentrate also. You don't need to over diversify to make the whole portfolio to grow. So I think concentration and a bit of diversification, both are really important. So based on the data, what I have come up is I will be putting my 50-50% to the utility versus meme coin, because meme coin is the main narrative of this cycle. So I will be putting 50% into the meme coins and remaining 50% into these utility coins. So I will be discussing about the tokens, which token can do really better this 2025, but still I will be basically looking to more research, more data, and more information to construct my final portfolio. Then I will also be creating another video like my percentage allocation into these crypto tokens. But still, let's go what looks good to me right now. So if I specifically talk about the artificial intelligence, if I talk about the AI narrative, then what comes first into my mind is this token, which has the infrastructure, which has the whole actual pure AI play, which is Tau. So it is bit tensor. It is a kind of blockchain. It is also releasing very soon a decentralized exchange where you can actually trade the other tokens. So Tau is building into the fully AI sector. It is now trading at $460. I think this can do really better into this cycle. You can also go with the more on the infrastructure play, that is Ionet. Why I am very feeling very conviction into the Ionet is, if you see the analytics of the Ionet, then you will understand that the whole amount of GPU into the Ionet ecosystem is around 5,700. And to the other leader into the market, which is Render is sitting at around $7, which has the market cap of around 4 to 5 billions. It has only 300 GPU. So who has a lot of GPU supply? That is Ionet. Even if you see Filecoin, a lot of projects who are leading this deep in infrastructure GPU cluster based of project protocol, then they have very less amount of GPU, but still Ionet has a lot of. So when this will catch the eyes of the investor, then I think Ionet can explode this cycle. So this is another project which I am like keeping eye and to trying to invest into the Ionet again. Third project, which is a bit older, but I think it has it has shown a really good price action this cycle, and that is AIOZ. And if you see, it is standing at around 0.9. And if you try to see the price action is really good. It has the bullish momentum. Whenever market recovers, the price goes really high. So the all-time high of this token is around $1.45, and now it's standing at 0.9. And I think it has good potential because it is standing at just $1 billion market cap. So AI sector has Tau, Ionet, AIOZ, and into the RWA sector. So I have Ondo is actually the leading token, but I'm not going with Ondo because it has a lot of unlocks coming into the market. So Ohm, which is a mantra DAO, is performing really well. When I started watching about the Ohm, it was sitting at 0.5, which is 50 cent, and now it is trading at around $3.5. So insane growth in mantra DAO. Then you can also see this Ohm. This might do really well into this 2025. Second token, which is a credit coin, so which is CTC, and now it is sitting at $1, and it has it was at 0.37 and went up to 2.5, and now it is consolidating. And I hope very soon we will have a good entry into the credit coin, because this is something that gives you the loan basically based on your assets into the real world. So this token is on Ethereum, and I think this can do really better. So I'm keeping eye on this credit coin also. Let's see if I have taken any third one. No, only these RWA tokens which I am really looking, because I'm not taking too much stake into the this RWA sector, but still I'm looking. And if I talk about the layer ones, so I think Sui is performing really well, and the price is now sitting at 4.58. And the speculation into the market is very simple, that they are saying this is the Solana killer. And if it is Solana killer, because Solana is sitting at 100 billion market cap around, and this is just 13 billion. So still 10x, maybe 10x, and this might kill the Solana, hopefully, because it is something which is faster, and people are looking for some toys to play as a narrative into the bullish market sentiments. So I think Sui could do really well, because if you are playing into the L1 game, then I think Sui could do really well. Second, apart from Sui, which is a new launch, is a Hyperliquid and trading at $20. This can also do really well. Why? Because if you see the whole market, the whole blockchain, the biggest problem is a centralization, and what blockchain is solving is centralization. So Hyperliquid, what it is doing is, whatever you do over the centralized exchanges like fast trading, futures trading, options protocol with less gas, Hyperliquid actually solved that problem, and they have the infrastructure that can execute your orders within seconds. So it has a lot of volume, and they have an aim, they have a vision, they have a goal that they will replace all the centralized exchanges. That kind of infrastructure they have already developed. So Hyperliquid is one of them. I think you should consider it. And third, which is again my favorite, is Solana. It's not on ETH, but Solana is also really good, and that can actually do well, but not too much, because right now it is sitting as $200. We might see $600 of the Solana this cycle. Then I think you can consider Solana if you want a very stable kind of return. So Solana, that can be it could be a good option to come on the L1 play. Next, DeFi. Why DeFi? If you see, the whole blockchain, the whole crypto ecosystem is nothing without the DeFi. Trump is coming into the market on 20th of Jan, and he might be purchasing a lot of tokens through the decentralized infrastructure, decentralized protocols. So one of them, and actually not one of them, basically the most of them is I think Uniswap. Uniswap is the decentralized exchange over the Ethereum, and which has already shown a lot of price momentum in previous cycle. Even this cycle, it is now sitting at around $8, and last cycle the top was at around 40 billion. So this can also do, but these are what I'm actually telling you in this video is not speculative play. I'm taking and I'm talking about which are really stable, and that can do really 5 and 6 and 7x. So these are the plays. Second is ETH5. If you are interested into restaking, so then ETH5 can do really well. So this is the project which is sitting at $400 million, and this is available on Binance, Bybit, Bitget, and everywhere. I think this can do really well. You can actually see if that works to you. Another project which I think, see, most of the DeFi activities, if you see into the market right now, is into the Ethereum ecosystem. What if that activity also goes to the another protocol, another blockchain, that is Solana? So the only project on the Solana ecosystem is Camino Finance. And if you see, the Camino Finance is now trading at 0.12, and it launched 2 or 3 months back, and now the market cap is $162 million. It went from 0.02 up to 0.23, which is 10x, and then it is now consolidating at 0.12. This can also do well if DeFi took place over the Solana, because this is the only protocol where you can actually borrow your funds, where you can actually give funds on interest. So basically, it's the only lending market over the Solana. So then this Camino Finance can also do really well. So you can see, and if you're interested into the Ethereum based protocol, Ethereum based lending market, then Aave could be a really good option. Why? Because Trump or any big whales, if they try to borrow, if they want stable things, then they will go to the big plays over the decentralized. And Aave can also do really well. But all these plays are really stable one. These are not like very speculative that can give you 20x this cycle. But these are the plays which are stable one. So this is about the DeFi, and this is the whole my 50%. I'm thinking to allocate, and I'm also looking to see other projects also, and hopefully I will find some better one. Let's talk about the hot one, that is meme coins. So into the meme coins, I think my best choice will still VIF, because it has all the exchange listing. It is available on Binance, Kraken, Bybit, even the bigger exchanges like Coinbase, Robinhood. It is everywhere. And now it is sitting at $1.8 with the all-time high of $5. VIF can do really well this cycle. So VIF will be my first choice. And second, which is the also has the exchange listing everywhere. It is the meme on ETH, and now sitting at $10 billion market cap, and now available on Coinbase, Robinhood, Binance, Bybit, Kraken, everywhere. So Pepe can really do well this cycle as well. Another token which is really different, which hits really different, that is SPX. SPX has the momentum. SPX, whenever the whole market is down, then SPX was green. If you see the price action, recently it was at 0.5 and it went up to 1.6 within 15 days, within 15 to 20 days. This token is really different. Why? If you see the meme coins, especially if I talk about the other meme coins which are actually funny, maybe whether it is Pepe, whether it is VIF or any other meme coins, they have a kind of meme and people are putting as a like crazy. But SPX has a different sentiment. It is a movement coin and everyone want to part of this movement, that they want to flip the stock market. So if that kind of craziness, that kind of madness, if people have, then this can go really, really high. It is now sitting at $1.2 billion market cap. And I think this can, even the promoter, even the person who is continuously shilling this project, Murad, has very high target. He's saying 69 billion of target this cycle is inevitable. He's saying 69 billion, which means it can go 69x based on his speculation. Let's see. So I think SPX is really different. If that works, I think this can really do well. So SPX, then you can consider to invest into SPX. Second is Popcat. I think this is like this token went up to $2 billion and now trading at 0.6, which is around $600 million, almost 70% down. And people are thinking that this token is going to zero. I think not, because this price action is continuously with the Popcat. It always draw down 60%, 50%, 40%, and I hope that this will recover again and it will go to the next like 10 billion, 20 billion market cap. Let's see what happens. So Popcat is one of the first token as a leading cat token. I think this is really good, and this can again do 10 to 15 billion. When the market recovers, then we will see price discovery of the Popcat. So I'm also keeping eye on Popcat. And the last token, let's see, I have GigaChat. So GigaChat, if you see, this is the only meme coin chart in my opinion which has consecutive 12 monthly green candles. From the whole year 2023, it has green. Every month it is showing green and continuously growing, and it is now sitting at 0.7, which is around $7 million market cap. And again, this is Murad's token, and he's saying this can go into billions, and he's expecting to go around $25 billion. This has still a room of 30x. So all these tokens which I am actually looking while constructing my portfolio. And if I talk about another narrative which is continuously popping into the market, which is AI memes. So a lot of AI memes are coming. AI based protocols are coming, which is AI 16Z, AIXBT, Griffin, Alchemy, Fartcoin. I think these are there, but they feel like a very speculative game for me in terms of investment, because these looks like investors back, whales back the token. They might dump anytime because they don't have even community, even about except few projects. Like if you see Fartcoin, it went from 50 million to 1.4 billion. This might even go to 15 billion, who knows. But I would like to separate myself from such tokens, because these tokens are heavily backed by, promoted by the big whales investors. They have put in a lot of money into it, and they can seriously dump anytime. But few infrastructure play that you can actually consider, I think that is AI 16Z. They have own SDK ELIZA, and you can use it, build any bot, any AI agent using that SDK. These kind of infrastructure play, you can actually go for that. But I think investing into AI memes, when you are saying memes means funny. When funny things are there, then how you are attaching utility into it. So it's like changing the whole concept of meme tokens. So these tokens which I've mentioned here, they have big community, they have people who have a lot of conviction into it. So I think this has a lot of potential to grow in comparison to other AI plays. So I think that's all what I know about this market, and I am constructing my portfolio once again. I am like selling all the tokens and then putting all my money into these tokens, and let's see what will happen in 2025. But I will be releasing my video about my portfolio with the percentage of amount I have taken into these stake. Let's see how does it look like. So if you have any token suggestion, if you feel like that I should also consider to research to those tokens, then you can also write it down into the comment section if you are watching this video. So that's all. See you into the next video. Thank you.